So here we are at A-level results day. Currently we're at Cross Keys campus, Coleg, Gwent, but it's going to be a fantastic day across the whole college, I think. We're going to see students coming in to receive their A-level results, and I think we're going to have some pretty happy students here today.
I had an A-star in geography, 2 A's in maths and biology, and an A-star in Welsh back. I feel ecstatic. I had no idea I would do this well. So yeah, I'm chuffed.
Coleg Gwent is just brilliant. The courses are perfect, the tutors are lovely. There's so many good opportunities here. There's the recording studio which really helped with my music. I got an A, 2 B's and a C, so yeah, I'm over the moon.
I can honestly say that I am glad that I came to study at Coleg Gwent because I think it's got a really important bridge to independence.
I literally didn't think I was going to pass this year, but thanks to my teachers and stuff, I managed to get a B, which I'm so happy with.
Here at Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone, the atmosphere all morning has been amazing as our A-level students have come in and collected their results. We're really pleased and celebrating the success of a 100% pass rate.
I just achieved 3 A-stars in biology, chemistry, maths, and I'm going on to do medicine at Cardiff. It's been amazing here at Coleg Gwent, and the teachers really helped me, been friendly, and I couldn't achieve the grades without them.
I got an A in psychology and law, and then an A-star in sociology. I'm planning to go to the University of Liverpool. I think if you want to come to Coleg Gwent, Cross Keys, any campus, I definitely recommend it. I've had the best time here, and I've made so many friends, and I think this is just one of the best sixth forms or colleges to go to.
My name is Denise Curer. I just studied A-level PE at Coleg Gwent. I just got my results and I got an A, so I'm really happy about that. I left my full-time job to study part-time here at Coleg Gwent Cross Keys campus, and with a huge amount of help and support by my fantastic tutor, Ross Bridgman, I managed to achieve grade A, so I'm absolutely buzzing.
So all in all, it's been a wonderful morning. Many congratulations to the successes of our students and to the teaching team who have supported them.